Hello everyone, hope you're doing good. Learn how to clear cache and cookies in Google Chrome browser. So open your Google Chrome browser and at the top right corner where you see the three dots, click on that and then click on settings. So once you click on settings, you will find a window like this, and here we need to go to this privacy and security. The moment we click on that, the very first result will come, delete browsing data, and we will click on that. Now please make sure you should select the time range. If you want all time, 7 days or 24 hours, you can do that. I will select all time, and here it says browsing history, cookies and other site data, cache, images and files. So I will uncheck this browsing history. You can do that if you wish, and I will select only cookies and cache from my computer. You can see the size of the cache, which is 319 MB. In your computer, it may be more than that, and you can simply click on delete, and in this manner you can clear cache and cookies from your Google Chrome browser. If you find this tutorial helpful and short, please hit the like and subscribe, and do leave a comment whether you have successfully cleaned the cache and cookies in Google Chrome or not. I'll see you in the next tutorial. Have a wonderful day.